the Department of Defense Inspector General as an independent, objective agency that provides oversight related to the programs and operations of the United States Department of Defense. DOD-IG was created in 1982 as an amendment to the Inspector General Act of 1978. The Department of Defense Inspector General was established in 1982. The mission of DOD-IG, as established by the Inspector General Act of 1978, as amended and implemented by DOD Directive 5106.01, Inspector General of the Department of Defense, is to serve as an independent and objective office in DOD-2. The Inspector General acts as the principal advisor to the Secretary of Defense in matters of department fraud, waste, and abuse. DOD-IG combats fraud, waste and abuse in the Department of Defense by conducting audits and investigations. In addition, the Inspector General ensures that the Secretary of Defense and the Congress are fully informed of problems in the department. Other responsibilities of DOD-IG include: DOD-IG is authorized to have access to all records, reports, audits, reviews, documents, papers, recommendations, or other material available to which relate to programs and operations. Administrative investigations oversees DOD component allegations of misconduct by senior DOD officials, and allegations of whistleblower reprisal and restriction from communication with an IG or member of Congress. AI also provides a confidential DOD hotline for reporting fraud, waste, and abuse and for detecting and preventing threats and danger to the public health and safety of the DOD. Audit provides independent, relevant, and timely audits that promote economy, efficiency, and effectiveness, and include actionable recommendations that, when effectively implemented, help improve DOD programs, operations, and stewardship of its resources. Defense Criminal Investigative Service conducts criminal investigations of matters related to DOD programs and operations, focusing on procurement fraud, public corruption, product substitution, healthcare fraud, illegal technology transfer, and cyber crimes and computer intrusions. Evaluations provides independent, relevant, and timely evaluations that promote economy, efficiency, and effectiveness, and include actionable recommendations that, when effectively implemented, help improve DOD programs, operations, and stewardship of its resources. Overseas Contingency Operations supports the DOD-OIG's lead IG responsibilities. Coordinates the oversight of overseas contingency operations by the DOD-OIG and other agencies through joint strategic planning and project management, and produces quarterly reports related to each overseas contingency operation. The Inspector General is nominated by the President and confirmed by the Senate. An Inspector General may only be removed by the President, who must notify the Congress of the reasons for such a removal. The Inspector General has independent authority within the department to initiate and conduct audits, investigations, and special assessments in areas involving the programs and operations of the department. The Inspector General has authority to have direct and prompt access to the Secretary of Defense for any purpose pertaining to the performance of the functions and responsibilities of the Inspector General and maintain legal counsel who report directly to the Inspector General. The Secretary of Defense may prohibit the Inspector General from initiating, carrying out, or completing an audit or investigation, or from issuing a subpoena if the Secretary determines that each prohibition is necessary to preserve the national security interests of the United States. Exercise of such power requires notification to Congress within 30 days to include a statement of the reasons for the exercise of such power. DOD-IG receives requests from Congress, the department and the public. In addition to these sources, DOD-IG plans projects based on areas critical to the management challenges of the department, which are published in the Department of Defense Agency Financial Report. Each component develops an annual plan that considers. Section 2 of the Inspector General Act requires the Inspector General to keep Congress fully and currently informed about problems and deficiencies relating to the administration of DOD programs. and operations and the necessity for and progress of corrective action. Section 4 of the Inspector General Act requires the Inspector General to review existing and proposed legislation and regulations relating to the programs and operations of, and to make recommendations concerning the impact of such legislation or regulations on the economy and efficiency in the administration of programs and operations administered or financed by or the prevention and detection of fraud and abuse in such programs and operations. In addition, the Inspector General testifies before committees of Congress including the Senate Armed Services (COM),